Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the Windows on Lenovo ThinkPad E14 5th generation model. You can see the model number. This is a AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor laptop. So we are going to install the Windows, connecting the power USB-C 65 watts power adapter. This is the bootable USB drive, Windows operating system it has. So I'm going to install the OS in this Lenovo ThinkPad E14. Power button you can see, switching on the unit. So this one is we downloaded the latest version from Microsoft. So no need to change any secure boot. So directly it will boot from this flash, the latest version. Booting operating system. After this Windows, you need to set it up. Select the keyboard language. I'm selecting the US International. And next. So this model mousepad drivers, I think it's built in is there. So the mousepad is working now. Some other model doesn't work. You need to use the USB mouse, external USB mouse. So I'm clicking next. Clicking install. Setup is starting now. So I'm not going to connect any internet as of now, and then the product key I will activate later. You can select your operating system in this one. I'm selecting Windows 11 Professional. Next. Accept all the license agreement. Next. I'm choosing the second option. Next. This is the 512 GB M.2 NVMe. I'm selecting that. Next. The model specification is AMD Ryzen 5 processor, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, 14 inches, Full HD screen. So the installing Windows going on. This process, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. These are the connectivities this model having: USB-C port, power port, and USB port. One more USB port here, and HDMI, headphone jack 3.5 mm combo. This model comes with a 1 GB dedicated Radeon graphic card also. CPU and GPU together. Backlight keyboard. Mouse scroll. Installation going on. You can see this one is camera, privacy screen shutter. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. You can see now zoom, the camera having a privacy shutter and built-in mic, and there is an indicator also, small indicator you can see here. 14 inches 5th generation laptop, this one. Basic model. For personal use you can use, office use you can use, and students also they can use. Still Windows installation going on. So system will reboot several times. You need to wait unless the window display will come. Again rebooting. Setting service going on. Getting ready. Other side you can see what are the ports: consent lock system, RJ45 Ethernet port and one more USB port. This model power button having as well as fingerprint also, biometric reader, power button plus fingerprint reader. Still restart going on. So you need to wait almost 30 to 40 minutes to finish this process. It will keep on restart. Still restarting. Just a moment. Going to start. I am not going to connect any internet as of now. I'm just skipping that. Now you can give the username. I'm not going to give any password. Next. This setup also it will take time, 5 to 10 minutes, getting things ready for you. The message is appearing here. So this may take a few minutes. Just wait, do not turn off anything. Almost there. Yeah, that's it. This is the Windows interface. After installing the OS and set up the unit, you need to connect the internet and install the related drivers. Wi-Fi driver, camera driver, Bluetooth drivers, all the related drivers we have to install. So there is no Wi-Fi driver, so I'm going to use Ethernet port to connect the Wi-Fi. Sorry, connect the internet. So I'm connecting the Ethernet to use the internet connection. So automatically the Ethernet is connected. So now you have an internet connection here now. So just go to the Windows setup and Windows update. You can see check for update. Just click that one. Check for update, click it. So automatically all the drivers will download in this unit. So this is a Microsoft product key, Windows 11 Pro product key. I'm going to activate the key now. After connecting the internet only we can activate this key. Just to right click, go to system properties. This one is a system specification, 16 GB RAM, AMD processor and 512 GB SSD. It's showing no dedicated VRAM. So after installing the drivers, you can see the 1 GB dedicated. So here you can see change the product key. I'm just going to activate the product key. This is the OEM pack. Activate it. Windows key is activated. Here you can see Windows 11 Pro. Activate. Still updates going on. You need to restart several times also this unit. All the drivers will come automatic. Depend on the internet connection, the unit will be ready. One by one you need to check. I'm just restarting. Once you restart some drivers, it will take automatic. That's what I'm restarting. So completed. You can see the green tick mark. So if it is a green tick mark, all updates done, completed. So ready to use. Sound drivers, camera driver, Wi-Fi driver, everything will come. So ready to use now. Going to shut down. That's it. If you are having any doubt, please comment me. Thank you for watching. Please like my video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.